Good morning. I think we're better right here so you can see what I'm doing. Sorry, I thought I had a good height. Good morning, everyone. I'm Jessica, and I am a Pampered Chef Advanced Director in New Jersey. And today I'm going to show you how to do a smoothie in our deluxe cooking blender. There, that's better. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So I am featuring the deluxe cooking blender this morning, and I'm gonna make a banana shake, or smoothie, if you will. So this is our deluxe cooking blender over here, and it does have a on-off switch, which is really awesome. This is one of my personal favorites power tools that we sell for the kitchen. I use this quite a bit throughout the week. Couple of things that I love to do with this is one of my favorite things to do with it really is to take hard cheese like Parmesan or Romano, cut it up into little tiny, like smaller blocks, place it in here and set it on the grind setting, and it takes about 30-35 seconds and you have perfectly ground Parmesan or Romano cheese. And it's actually a little bit more cost effective to your wallet to buy that cheese by the block and grate it yourself instead of buying the pre-grated cheese. Also, the deluxe cooking blender comes with a few different settings. So you can do so much with this, from doing cold drinks to doing hot soups to making alternate milks. And then one of the best features is it has its own heated wash setting. So you just fill it with a little water when you're done and a couple dabs of dish soap and turn it on the heated wash setting, and it cleans itself. It's awesome. And the blender piece itself is glass. It's a tempered glass, so it can handle the heat. So let's get started with the smoothie. This is the ingredients I'm using for this smoothie is something I have. It's a recipe I got off of a website, so it's not necessarily a Pampered Chef recipe, but I will show you that we also sell, before I get started, let me backtrack, sorry. We also sell an adapter for the blender, and this adapter is so you can make a single serve smoothie right in the smoothie cup. So it comes with the smoothie cup, of course a straw, the blade. So here's your blade that goes on top of, you take the top of the cup off and put this on, and then it fits like so right into this adapter. So you remove the blender and you put this adapter on, and you can make a single serve smoothie right in your to-go cup. I'm not using that this morning though, because I think this is gonna make some leftovers. So the other thing the adapter comes with is this recipe card. On the back, it comes with different recipes that you can make, smoothie recipes that you can make, and then also suggestions on how to layer it right into your cup. Good morning, everyone. Thanks so much for joining me. So making this quick smoothie before I head to work. So I'm going to grab some ice right out of my freezer. So we're going to do about a cup while I'm over here. I want to grab the last of my almond milk. I mentioned earlier when I was talking about the blender how it can make alternate milks. So I also use this to make my almond milk, which is also probably time saving in your wallet. So we're gonna add a whole banana to this smoothie. Then we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of oatmeal, a teaspoon of vanilla extract. This is gonna give it some sweetness. And I'm going for the potassium. Bananas are filled with potassium, which is good for belly fat. Help to get rid of, which is what I'm trying to do. So that's why we're doing this banana shake. So I just stored my almond milk in this mason jar. I just need a cup, and this is probably exactly what's left. Yep. So this week it's time to make more almond milk. So we need a cup of almond milk. And then what the recipe doesn't call for is some protein powder, but I'm gonna put some protein powder in. We also sell this. This is from our Enrichables line. It's a pea protein, it's a white pea, so it doesn't add any flavor, but it does add some protein, which also kind of helps subside. I'm gonna do 2 scoops. This scoop comes with these bags. The protein powder will kind of help subside hunger, I hope. Make me feel full, you know? So those are all my ingredients. So we're gonna pop the lid on and turn this on, and then it has, like I said, it has different settings. It has 9 settings basically. You have smoothie, alternate milk, grind, the heated wash, and then our heated settings, you have soup. So literally throw all your ingredients in here for a creamy broccoli soup, tomato soup, asparagus soup, mushroom. Set it on the soup setting, and it's like kind of set it and forget it. In 30 minutes, you have hot soup ready for you. Heated puree, so you can puree any vegetables you want. You can make your own jams and sauces as well. So I'm just going to turn this on smoothie setting, which is defaulted to just 1 minute. And in 1 minute, we will have a nice banana smoothie. And what I love about this is it really grinds the ice, so it's going to make it nice and smooth. So I'm going to serve it pour it right into my to-go cup, and I will take this to work. So instead of coffee today, I'm having a banana shake. So this blender is available for purchase, and of course, as a host, guys, you don't pay full price. You can pick it up at any time, any month, at 50% off when you have a qualifying party. It's a great way to get this into your kitchen. So if you're really liking what you see here with this blender, contact the consultant that invited you to this party and book yourself a date with them and get this in your kitchen. Trust me, you're gonna love it. And that is it. So just check this out. Just look how nice and smooth. See that? It's quite good. The vanilla extract gives it just the perfect sweetness, and it almost tastes like banana oatmeal. Banana oatmeal through straw. So I will share exactly the recipe in the comments below in case anybody wants to give this smoothie a try. It's actually quite good. And if you have any questions about the Deluxe Cooking Blender, post them in the comments below, and I'll answer any questions anybody may have. And I hope you really enjoyed learning a little bit more about our Deluxe Cooking Blender. Have a great day, everyone. Thanks for tuning in.